and we're doing another YouTube channel, and it's going to be the sneezing challenge with my dad here today, and we've got Pepper, so it will help us. You can't really see it. A stopwatch. We've got 2 minutes to sneeze as much as we can, and just some tissues in case it goes a bit wrong. Okay, so here we go. 3.
Most sneezes in 2 minutes. Yeah.
Count your sneezes. Then.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Go. I don't want to do this. This is bad, Pepper. Oh. I'm gonna do it.
More pepper.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to Oh, sorry.
Don't bite it out.
It's too bad. It really stings.
It's not making me sneeze.
Oh,
I thought pepper was supposed to make you sneeze.
I think I got some in my eyes.
Come on, pepper eyes.
She's so kind.
It's not working, man. It's making my nose really
And
sore,
it's
though.
over. It's over.
It's making my nose really sore.
It's been 2 minutes.
Oh no.
We haven't sneezed once, but it's over. Okay. Go clean yourself up. We'll be back.